Hello guys, I am from GoGrass Maths Hub. I am going to discuss question number 15, exercise 4.6. Implied that if A equal to opening of square bracket I have done here, elements of first row 2 minus 3 5, elements of second row 3 2 minus 4, elements of third row 1 1 minus 2, comma. Find A inverse, full stop. Using A inverse, solve the system of equations. First equation is 2x minus 3y plus 5z equal to 11. Second equation is 3x plus 2y minus 4z equal to minus 5. Third equation is x plus y minus 2z equal to minus 3. This is the question about which I am going to discuss here. Here you can see matrix A. In matrix A, there are 3 rows, first row, second row and third row. And also there are 3 columns, first column, second column, third column. Therefore, the matrix A is of order 3 cross 3. Matrix A is of order 3 cross 3. This means that matrix A is a square matrix. So here I shall write in the solution, since the matrix A is a square matrix. Hence, we can easily find determinant of matrix A. And now I shall write and take the value of determinant of matrix A. So here I shall write determinant of matrix A equal to. Here I shall write minus 1. Here you can see in this depth this matrix. So here, since this matrix is a square matrix, then you can easily find the determinant of matrix A. So here I shall write elements of first row 2 minus 3 5, elements of second row 3 2 minus 4, elements of third row 1 1 minus 2. Imply that determinant of matrix A equal to. Here you can see 2 is there in first row and first column. So first of all, I shall discuss about 2. So here plus 2 is there. For plus 2, here I shall write minus 1. Here minus 1 is constant, fixed here. Minus 1 is a constant. Raised to the power. Row position plus column position. So here you can see for the element plus 2, 2 is there in first row. For first row, I shall write here 1. And 2 is there in first column. For first column, I shall write here 1. And this element will be written with sign. So here write plus 2. After that, dot will be there. Take the minor of plus 2. Take the minor of plus 2. The minor of plus 2 will be minor of plus 2 will be minor of this element 2 will be, since 2 is there in first row and first column, first row and first column will be hidden. You will get the minor of plus 2 as 2 minus 4, 2 minus 4, 1 minus 2. After that I shall write here plus minus 1 raised to power. This date is going to be expanded along first row. So here I can write expanding along first row R1, expanding along R1, expanding along R1, R1 means first row, this one. So here plus I have written minus 1, I shall write. Minus 1 here is a constant, fixed here. And think about minus 3 element. Minus 3 is there in first row. For first row, I shall write here 1 plus, and minus 3 is there in second column. For second column, I shall write here 2 dot, and minus 3 will be written here. And take the minor of minus 3. Minus 3 is there in first row and second column. The first row and second column will be hidden. You will get the minor of element minus 3 as 3 minus 4. So here write 3 minus 4, 1 minus 2 plus, here write minus 1 raised to power. Think about this element 5. So 5 is there in first row. So for first row I shall write here 1 plus, and 5 is there in third column. For third column I shall write 3. Thereafter here write plus 5 dot. Now take out the minor of plus 3, plus 5. The minor of plus 5 is there in first row. First row and third column will be hidden. We will get the minor of plus 5 as 3, 2, 1, 1. So here write 3, 2, 1, 1. Now what we'll do here? Determinant of matrix A. Locate this one. Minus 1 raised to power 1 plus 1 comes out to here 2. Minus 1 raised to power 2 comes out to here 1. 1 will multiply to 2, comes out to 2. So here I 2. And this is a minor determinant. The elements of principal diagonal are 2 and minus 2. 2 and minus 2 will multiply together. So we will get here minus 4. Minus, open here curly bracket. Minus, here minus is constant, and elements of reverse diagonal 1 and minus 4 will multiply together. 1 will multiply to minus 4, comes out to here minus 4. So here I write minus 4. Plus is there, right here plus. Minus 1 raised to power 1 plus 2 comes out to 3. Minus 1 raised to power 3 comes out to here minus 1. Minus 1 will multiply to minus 3, comes out to here 3. So here I write plus 3. Open here curly bracket. And here you can see elements of principal diagonal 3 and minus 2 will multiply together. So we will get here minus 6. So here write minus 6 minus, and elements of reverse diagonal 1 and minus 4 will multiply together. We will get here minus 4. plus here write plus, and minus 1 raised to the power 4 comes out to here 1. 1 will multiply to plus 5 comes out to here 5. Here you can see elements of principal diagonal 3 and 1 multiply together. We will get here 3 minus, and elements of reverse diagonal 2 and 1 will multiply together. We will get here 2 curly bracket close. Imply that determinant of matrix A equal to, here you can see 2 will multiply to minus 4, and here minus comes out to here 4. We will get here minus 4 plus 4. We will get here like this. Because here minus will multiply together, comes out here plus 4. Minus 4 plus 4 comes out to here 0. In fact, plus 3 right here. In bracket I shall write. Here you can see minus 6 minus will multiply together, we will get here plus 4. So here write minus 6 plus 4. And here write plus 5. And 3 minus 2 comes out here 1, write here 1. Date of determinant of matrix A comes out to, here you can see minus 4 plus 4 comes out to here 0. So 2 into 0 you will get, here you will get plus 3 minus 6 plus 4 comes out here minus 2. Minus 2 will multiply to 3 comes out here minus 6. So here I write minus 6 plus 5. Imply that determinant of matrix A comes out to, this will become 0. Here you will get plus 3 minus 6 comes out to here minus 3 plus 5. Imply that determinant of matrix A comes out to here 2. Just verify this one. Verify this one. You have got this one. 2 minus 3 5, 3 2 minus 4, 1 1 minus 2. Now minus 1 raised to the power 1 plus 1 plus 2. Here you have got 2 2 2 are 4 plus 4. Here you will get minus 1. So here you will get plus 3. 1 plus 2 3. So minus 1 1 you can do it 3. Here you will get minus 6 minus, and here you will get 4 1 plus 5 and 3 minus 2 will get 3 minus 2 will get. Just check out this one whether this is correct or not. Just 1 minute. Okay, and minus 4. So now here we have got this one, we have got minus 2, this one you will get 3 minus 2, you will get here 1, or here you will get minus 2, minus 6 plus 5, so here you will get plus 5, this one you will get minus 6 plus 3. So here 1 minute, what to do here? Here you will get this complete will become 0. So here I have written 0. Okay. And here you will get minus 6 plus 4 comes out here minus 2. Minus 2, 3, minus 6. So here you will get minus 6. So here only you will get here minus 6. So here write minus 6. Minus 6 you will write minus 6 plus 5. This will, it will become. So what to do here? Minus 4 plus 4 comes out to 0. 2 into 0, 2 into 0 I have written. Here just calculate simply. Minus 6 plus 4 comes out to here minus 2. Minus 2 will multiply to 3. Comes out to here minus 6. Minus 6 plus 5. Minus 6 plus 5. It will become. Now what to do here? Imply that determinant of matrix A comes out to here 0 minus 6 plus 5 comes out to here determinant of matrix A equal to minus 1. So here you have got determinant of matrix A, you have got here minus 1. So not equal to 0. So here I shall write, since determinant of matrix A is not equal to 0, so then the matrix A is a non-singular matrix. Matrix A is a non-singular matrix. Non-singular matrix. A inverse exists. A inverse exists. System, the system is consistent. System is consistent and has a unique solution given by Ax equal to B. Imply that X is equal to A inverse B. So here the matrix A is a non-singular matrix. A inverse exists. The system is consistent and has a unique solution given by X is equal to B. X is equal to A inverse dot B. This is the thing you have got. So what to do here? You have to find A inverse. For A inverse, know the formula very well. Formula A inverse is equal to adjoint of matrix A whole over determinant of matrix A. This is the formula. Formula A inverse is equal to adjoint of matrix A whole over determinant of matrix A. Where determinant of matrix A is not equal to 0. This is the formula. And adjoint of matrix A equal to transpose of cofactor matrix. So this is the formula we must remember. Adjoint of matrix A equal to transpose of cofactor matrix. So you have to find first cofactor matrix A. Cofactors of matrix A. So cofactor matrix you have to find. So here I shall write cofactors. Cofactors of matrix A. So here I shall write cofactors. Cofactors of matrix A. Cofactors of matrix A imply that this is the matrix you have got here. This is the matrix you have got here. Is of order 3 cross 3. So you have to find cofactor matrix. So you have to get cofactor of each element. The first element I shall take here 2. So for 2 is there in first row and first column. For first row, write here 1 and first column write here 1. So here I shall write very well A11. A11. Cofactor of matrix A implied that A11. So A11 means A means the matrix A. First one represent row position, and second one represent here column position. So 2 is there in first row 1 and 2 is there in first column 1, this one. So 2 will be fixed. So you will get here write -1, that is fixed here. -1, that is fixed here. And think over 2. 2 is there in first row. For first row, I shall write here 1 and 2 is there in first column. For first column, write here 1. So it will become 1. And thereafter, what will do? Into minor of +2. This is the formula we must remember. Equal to -1 raised to power 1 plus 1 comes out to 2. So -1 raised to power 2 comes out to here 1. So 1 will multiply to minor of +2. Minor of +2 will get here this element. 2 is there in first row, so first row will be hidden and first column will be. So we will get the minor of +2 as 2 minus 4. So here write minor as 2 minus 4, 1 minus 2. Just simplify there. 2 will multiply to -2, comes out to here -4, minus and elements of reverse diagonal 1 and -4 will multiply together. So we will get here -4, comes out to here -4 plus 4, comes out to here 0. The A input 1 1, you have got here 0. Like this, if you take this element -3, so for -3 is there in first row, so here 1 will be there, a -3 is there in second column, so here 2 will be written. So here I shall write A input 1 2. A input 1 2. For this one, A input 1 2 means A means matrix A. This one means first row. The first row I shall locate, and this one means second column. Second column I shall locate. We will get this element -3. So -3. So here write -1 here is constant. -1 here is constant. Raised to power 1 plus 2. So here write 1 plus 2. This thing you will get here 1. This one will be written here 1, and this 2 will be written here 2. In between plus sign will be there. -1 here is constant. After that, what will do? Into minor of -3. You will get, here you will get 1 plus 2 comes out to here 3, -1 raised to power 3 comes out to here -1, and minor of -3. So -3 is there in first row, the first row and second column will be hidden. So we will get the minor of minus 3 as into 3 minus 4 1 minus 2. This thing you will get. What will do? 3 minus 4 1 minus 2. So here write minus 1 3 to just 6, right here minus 6 minus plus, we will write here plus, we will get here minus 1 will multiply to minus 2 comes out to here 2. So A input 1 2 we have got here 2. This thing we have got. I think this is correct. Just 1 minute. 2 we have got. Very nice. What will do next? Next I shall write A input 1 3. A input 1 3. So here write minus 1 Dayton constant raised to the power 1. 1. So here write 1 plus 3. Minor of now A input 13. Locate here. This is the A means matrix A input 13. 13 means first row and 3 means third column. The element 5 will come. So minor of plus 5. You will get here minus of plus 5. Now what will do here? This one comes out to here 1 plus 3 comes out to here 4. Minus 1 raised to power 4 comes out to here 1. Write here 1 into minor of plus 5. Minor of plus 5 you will get 5 is there in first row and third column. Will be hidden. So we will get the minor of plus 5 as 3 2 1 1. So here write 3 2 1 1. Now again you will write 1 will multiply together and this thing you will do 3 and 1 are there in principal diagonal. Elements of principal diagonal 3 and 1 will multiply together. So here you will get 3 minus 2 comes out to here 1. So 0 2 1 you have got this one. So you have got A input 1 1, A input 1 2, A input 1 3. Now again take this element 3. So for 3, if you take element 3 here, so you can write here very well this one and this one. Now take element here 3. So for 3 what will do? These 3 there in second row. The second row and second row, for second row write here 2 and 3 there in first column. So for first column write here 1. The A input 21. So here I shall write A input 21. Here write minus 1. Here minus 1 is constant, fixed here. In everywhere minus 1 is fixed here. And these two will be written here, or this one will be written here. Or both will be added together. Into minor of, just locate the element A input 21. A input 21 will be element 3. The minor of element plus 3. So here write plus 3. Here you can see minus 1 raised to power 3, it will become. So here you will get minus 1. Minus 1 will multiply to minor of element plus 3. So 3 is there in second row. The second row and first column. Second row, first column will be hidden. You will get the minor of plus 3 as minus 3, 5. Minus 3, 5. Minus 3, 5. Here you will get 1. Minus 2 will get equal to minus 1 I shall write here, and here you can see my elements of principal diagonal are minus 3 and minus 2. The elements of principal diagonal minus 3 and minus 2 will multiply together. So 3 will minus 3 will multiply to minus 2 comes out to here 6. So here I write 6 minus, and the elements of reverse diagonal 1 and 5 will multiply together. So here you get 5. So here you will get minus 1. Here you will get 6 minus 5, 1. 1 will multiply to minus 1, you will get here minus 1. Now again, a into 22. So here I shall write minus 1 raised to power 2 plus 2 into minor of plus 2. So here I write plus 2. Here you can see minus 1 raised to power 2 plus 2 comes out here 4. Minus 1 raised to power 4 comes out to here 1. So here I write 1 into and minor of plus 2. So minor of plus 2 have to locate. Minor of plus 2, this 2. So this 2 is there in second row. The second row and second column will be hidden. So we will get the minor of plus 2 as 2, 5, 1 minus 2. 2, 5, 1 minus 2. 2, 5, 2, 5, 1 minus 2. So you will get here easily plus 2 minus 2.